What is a balanced meal? Carbohydrates for energy, protein for growth and repair, and vegetables for a healthy metabolism. Well, our today's dish has it all. Steamed banana flour lentil cake, Vazhaipoo Paruppu Kozhukattai in Tamil, and Nuchinunde in Kannada. Welcome to Water Gravy. For the preparation, take 1 cup of boiled or idli rice, 1 cup of Toor dal. I'm using Toor dal, which is unpolished and with a little bit of skin intact. This Toor dal has been processed in an age-old traditional method of packing it in red soil, then washing and processing it. When processed this way, the nutrients remain intact. It becomes easier to digest and the smell and flavor are just great. Wash well. Soak together in water for 2 to 3 hours, along with 10 to 12 red chillies. Banana flour is the heart of the banana tree. To clean the banana flour, remove the outermost covering called the bract from the banana flour. Take the bunched flowers from inside. Separate the florets. Remove the calyx, the scale-like and translucent part that is present on the outside, and the style with the attached rounded stigma on top from the inside. These are the inedible parts of the flower. Cleaning the banana flowers can be time-consuming, but the health benefits are many. Cleaning of the flowers can even be done the previous day and chopping at the time of preparation. The different parts of the flower after they've been cleaned: bract, style with stigma, calyx, and the cleaned flower. The smaller flowers can be used as they are, as they do not have calyx or stigma. Add 2 tablespoons of buttermilk or curd to a bowl, half a teaspoon of salt, add water and mix well. We are going to add the chopped banana flowers to this water. Adding buttermilk or even lime juice to the water prevents the flowers from turning black. You have to apply oil to the knife and hands to prevent the flowers from sticking to the hands and knife, and also to prevent them from staining. Now chop the banana flowers and add to the buttermilk mixed water. For the preparation, we will need 2 onions, 1 full pod of garlic, 1 cup of grated coconut, a handful of coriander leaves, and a few curry leaves. Chop the onions fine. Separate the garlic pods. Remove the skin and chop them fine. Wash and chop the coriander leaves fine. Now the rice and dal have been soaked for 2 to 3 hours. Add the red chillies, rice and dal mix to the mixer jar. Add very little water. This is important, just enough water for grinding. Grind to a thick, coarse paste. Repeat with the next batch of rice and dal. Add to the bowl. Add the chopped garlic. Now add chopped coriander leaves, finely chopped onions, grated coconut. Squeeze out the water from the chopped banana blossom and add to this mix. Add salt as required. Mix everything well. Make oval shapes or undes out of this. Smear oil on the plates. In one plate, we are going to place the undes, and in the other, we are going to steam it like a cake. Place the oval-shaped undes on the grease tray. You can also keep the undes on top of a banana leaf and steam it. Fill the smaller plate with the banana flour dal mix. Switch on the stove. When the water starts boiling, place both the plates inside. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until done. To check if it's done, pierce with a sharp instrument. If well cooked, it will not stick to it. Remove both the plates. Set aside and allow it to cool. Now the Banana Blossom Lentil Cake and Kozhukattai are both ready. Chop the Kozhukattai or undes into medium-sized pieces. Demould the lentil cake from the plate. For the seasoning, heat a ladle. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of any cold-pressed oil. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it starts sputtering, add 1 teaspoon of split black urad dal and curry leaves. When it turns golden brown, add the banana blossom dal pieces and saute till well mixed. To season the banana flour lentil cake, heat a ladle, add 1 tablespoon of oil, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal and curry leaves. Add this to the lentil cake mix. Garnish with coconut. What is your favorite banana flour recipe? Do drop your comments below. The health benefits of banana flours are now being rediscovered. Rich in dietary fibres, vitamins and minerals, banana flour is a medicinal wonder. Banana flour keeps infections at bay. It is beneficial to the digestive system. It is rich in iron, vitamin C. It is an antioxidant. It enhances mood, relieves stress, helps relieve menstrual cramps, helps manage diabetes, and has anti-cancer properties. Toor dal is an excellent source of protein and supplies the nutrients required for maintaining a healthy body. A traditional recipe with an interesting and healthy addition and also steam cooked, adding to its nutritional value. We'll meet you on Friday with another interesting recipe. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe. To get notified on new videos, press the bell icon. And do check out our other popular videos.